Humanoid robots need new rules. Humanoid robots are entering warehouses and factories, and soon homes and hospitals. And society is not ready, and the risks are concrete. In the United States, they already move heavy loads. They stay upright only through power and active balancing. And if power cuts, they can fall. A 65 kilograms fall in a corridor can injure someone. That is why slow-stop behavior matters. Slow down, put the load down, lower the body, then shut off. And standard bodies are working on rules for actively balanced robots. We also need shared signals like traffic rules, lights, movements, clear cues. Or for example, in noisy workspaces, voices are useless. And many robots around, people must understand fast what each one is doing. A humanoid shape also creates false expectation of empathy and social intelligence, which increases confusion and risk, especially with children and older adults. AI errors will happen. If a robot mistreats a gesture or misses an obstacle, liability must be immediate. A simple fix should be mandatory. A visible ID plate, like a car license plate, linking that robot to maker, model, software version, and the operator responsible. Minimum line, safe stopping, standard signals, always on human override or ID plates.